Hey guys, this is Bruce coming to you from 122 Bethlehem Road here in Statesville. This is an amazing house. It's a little over 2,000 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, sit on 4 acres. Got a detached garage and even like a little efficiency park. So we're taking a look at this right now. Let's go inside. Sorry, it's a little breezy here today. This home has been painted. I've got some new flooring in, finished the basement. Great little front porch here. A couple of storage buildings and carports as well. Let's go inside, take a look. Welcome home. This has everything a family would need. Lots of light. Again, the floors here have been done. They're a laminate, but we've got plenty of space. Kitchen's been completely gutted and redone. Wonderful little island, granite, slow close, stainless steel appliances, wonderful gas range. It is propane, but it is awesome. You can kind of see it opens up a little there to the family room. Upstairs, we got 2 beds. Take a quick peek. Have a set of stairs here. Master bath here, or the main bath on this floor has been completely redone. Look at the tile work on this. Awesome job. Looks great. Oh, nice kitchen, bathroom sink there. Across the hall, bedroom number 1. Again, who doesn't love agreeable gray? Whoop, whoop. No carpet. We got tile, hardwoods. And the master. Again, a great amount of space. Again, no carpets. Closet. This has got a little mini split, a little extra heat and air. A little spot for the ladies to get ready in the morning. And a closet. Awesome. Let's go downstairs. This home will be coming out on Friday, so it's coming soon right now. It'll be coming out at $295,000. You're sitting on, again, 4 acres, which is amazing. These stairs are kind of cool. Knotty pine. This is kind of an office. It's a small room, but we've got utilities inside that closet, so it's not really a closet. You can have a pocket door hung here. The washer and dryer is included. State-of-the-art Samsung. A nice little laundry room. And again, this can be a bedroom with its own big closet and full bath. This one actually has a jacuzzi. Recently finished. Awesome. So your college kid can have their own entrance if you like. You can go out the back door. Again, there's that detached garage. And to the right, under the awning, is a small efficiency type of apartment. It's got a sink, it's got a full bath. Nice covered porch here on the back. All brick. And again, nice acreage, goes all the way to the trees in the back and all the way around. Come see it. BT Homes, right? Give us a shout, 980-721-7681.